You're welcome to another training session. My name is Ogechi Madukoma. Like usual, I'm bringing you a bumper pack value today. We'll be looking at how to produce very quality and also very foamy powder detergent like Omo, like Viva, like Good Mama, like Ariel. Ensure you stay to the end because I gave a very cheap packaging tip towards the end of the video. I also experimented washing my handkerchief with the soap so you see how foamy it is. Please ensure you subscribe, hit the like button and also share so that YouTube shows it. Let's jump into the video. So that's light, not dense, light. Light. I'll be using 1.5 kg. This is sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. I'll be using 50 grams. This is Texapon. I'll be using 50 grams. This is sulfonic acid. I'll be using 20 grams. This is SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, the powdered one. I'll be using 100 grams. So join me. Let's go into the making of our powder detergent. First is to pour your soda ash light in your bowl and then you mix very well to break up. Make sure you break all the lumps. It has a lot of lumps, so but it's something you can break with your hands. So just break. Just make sure you break every single lump that is in there. Just do as I'm doing right now. Be able to break all the lumps. So as I'm doing it systematically. So just ensure you break every lumps in there. Make sure you're wearing your nose mask because this soda light has a way of getting into our nose. So I'm done with this. I'll add my sodium sulfate. Also make sure you break the sodium sulfate very well. Properly mix. I'll add my sulfonic acid. Add my SLS powder. This one has a way of it has this choking, very choky smell. So that's why you should wear your nose mask. This is where you can see me coughing. SLS powder has a very choky effect. I've added my Texapon, so I'll mix properly. Yeah, I'll add my fragrance. Add just like 20 ml of fragrance. If you know you want to add color, you can add a little bit of water-based color. But I'm not adding color here. I want it to be white. Hmm? So detergent powder is ready. I'm going to test it now in water to see how foamy it is. So all you need to do now is package and you start selling. Go and start making money. So our detergent powder is ready. 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 It's ready. Smelling very, very nice. Smells nice. Okay, so even if you don't have money to do very big packaging, you can go get this kind of nylons that they used to pack chin. Eh? You can just do a small sticker with your name, paste it there. Eh? And just measure. You have a scale so that your product will be uniform. So just measure the quantity. If it is 100 grams, if it is 200 grams that you want to measure inside a nylon, make sure you measure so it to be uniform. Then you put inside. Then you remove the sealing, and you see this nylon come inside, so you can buy the small size, come in sizes. You can fill it up if you decide to fill it up. Like you're the one that knows the size you want to sell, so you can just do a sticker, a fanciful colorful sticker, put it there. Or you can even put like this, put your sticker, fanciful sticker, and put your sticker to hold this place down, and you start selling your detergent. Market don start, money don dey come. So let's wash this hanky with this detergent. Let's see if it will lather. Did you see? Did you see how foamy it is? Did you see? You see how my soap dey foam? Did you see? So go ahead and produce yours. See, it lathers very well. See, you see. So go ahead and produce yours and start selling. So I've given you one product that you can use to sell and make money. Did you see how very, very foamy it is? Did you see? Did you see? See, did you see? So go produce and start selling. If you know you want to join my paid training, I have a paid training where I can guide you and hold your hands to start up all these things. You can click the link in the description or send me a WhatsApp message on 234-8029-046605. Let's get you started. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel. And please hit that notification bell. Please hit like so that YouTube shows it to more persons. And please also subscribe. See how foamy it is. You see? See. Thank you so much. I hope you subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Bye bye.